Let's continue with comparative development experiences of India and its neighbors. Let's start with human development indicators. In most areas of human development, China has performed better than India and Pakistan. This is true for many indicators. Per capita, GDP or proportion of population below poverty line, health indicators such as mortality rates, access to sanitation, literacy rate, life expectancy or malnourishment, etc. Yes, so the Human Development Index is an important indicator to study the human development. Higher the value of Human Development Index shows the higher level of growth and development of a country. Yes, so the GDP, yes, higher ranking of China in Human Development Index is mainly due to higher GDP per capita. So in 2016, China's GDP per capita was estimated to be US dollar 14,400, while it was just US dollar 6,092 for India and US dollar 4,086 for Pakistan. And the health indicators such as mortality rate, access to sanitation, literacy rate, life expectancy or malnourishment, etc. Infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate refers to number of infants dying before reaching 1 year of age per thousand live births in a year. So low infant mortality rate shows better health and sanitation facility, as most of the infants die due to unhygienic and insanitary environments. So it is lowest in China with 9 infants and highest in Pakistan with 66 infants, and infant mortality rate in India is 38. Access to sanitation. Pakistan performance in providing sanitation is better than India and China. China has provided improved sanitation to 77% of population, whereas corresponding figure for Pakistan and China and India are 64% and 40% respectively. Let's move on to the other one. Yes, life expectancy at birth. Life expectancy refers to the average number of years for which people are expected to live. A higher life expectancy indicates longer and a more active average lifespan. So China has the highest life expectancy of 76 years. India and Pakistan have the life expectancy of 68.3 and 66.4 years. Let's go on to the other one. Pakistan is ahead of India in reducing proportion of people below the poverty line, and also its performance in transforming labor force from agriculture sector to industrial sector, and access to water is better than India. Yes. So, people below the poverty line or the people who do not even have that level of income and expenditure which is necessary to meet specified minimum level of calorie intake. For the proportion of people below the international poverty rate, that is $3.10 a day, people below the poverty line are 37% and 44% for India, China and Pakistan. So, compared with India, Pakistan is ahead of India in reducing the proportion of people below the poverty line. It's also performance in transferring labor force from agriculture sector to the industrial sector. Contrary to it, India is ahead of Pakistan, its education sector and providing health services. So, India and Pakistan are ahead of China in providing improved water sources. So, at the last conclusion, India performed moderately, as it's clear from a majority of its people still depends on agriculture. Infrastructure is lacking in many parts of the country. It is yet to rise the level of living for more than 22% of its population that lives below the poverty line. Pakistan has performed poorly. The reasons for the slowdown of growth and re-emergence of poverty in Pakistan's economy because of political instability, volatile performance of agriculture sector, over dependence on remittances, growing dependence on foreign loans on the one hand and increasing difficulty in paying back the loans on the other. China has performed comparatively the best as it clear from success in raising the level of growth along with alleviation of poverty. It used the market mechanism to create additional social and economic opportunity without political commitment. By retaining collective ownership of land and allowing individuals to cultivate land, China has ensured social security in the rural area. Public intervention in providing social infrastructure has brought about positive result in human development indicators in China. So far we have discussed about introduction, a development path of India, China, Pakistan, comparative study of India, China, Pakistan, gross domestic product, yes, and at the last human development indicators. Thank you, students.